guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. I'm doing an unboxing of a SABRENT USB Type-C to free enclosure for M.2 PCIe, NVMe and SATA SSDs. So my old laptop, the Acer Aspire E15, came with a SATA SSD. So in case you don't know what that means, I'm going to put pictures probably here and here on both sides of the videos to show you the difference between a SATA SSD, the physical difference between a SATA SSD and an NVMe SSD. Yes, Windows, Mac OS and Linux OS and USB Type-C. So this is further information. In case you want to read that, you can pause the video. There's nothing on the right. This is the front. Then on the back, just some barcodes. Then let's get right to it. Okay. Pulling this out. Let's just send them to the box. Set this to the side. We have some manual about how to use. This is supposed to be a two-free SSD, so you can swap your drives without using a screwdriver, which is one thing I would say I really did like, but for me it wasn't a feature I was actually going for because I'm not short on screwdrivers, but it's pretty nice to have. And this is spread love, folks. Spread the love online. So this is it comes with a USB-C cable, and I guess this is the tool you use to secure the drive in place, and I guess this should be the enclosure. Let's get this out. Comes wrapped. By the way, this enclosure costs $28. I have to say the build quality at first feels really nice. It's metal and it had a pretty cool finish to it, I have to say. SABRENT makes SSDs also, and this comes with the cloning software. I've forgotten the name of the software. I might put the name or maybe a link to it on, as you can see, support SSD class 10. So it should be USB 3.2. This should support 10 gigabits per second, I believe. And this is the little place you pop open, and let's see what happens. Oh, nothing happens. Let's see if we can pop this open. Yeah, that's it. Okay, hopefully we don't. I guess this is why I should read manuals first. Okay, let's see. Does it go forward or backwards? I totally don't want to break this. Okay, I see. It slides upwards this way. So you can see I think it's connected to the lower case right in there, so you can't remove this part, you just slide it up. There's the internal heat pad that makes contact with your SSD to help dissipate heat to this chunky aluminum which will produce the heat, and this is a different screw point which I believe this tiny bit screws into each individual points here to support the different sizes of SSDs. So there's a receptor point, so clips into place. So I'm gonna be testing this out with I'm gonna try to clone. I'm gonna move I actually got this stuff so that I could move my Windows installation from a 512 gigabit from a 512 gigabyte SSD to a 1 terabyte. So I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes. So that's it.